Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can use the ClearPay on Booking.com. So here, ClearPay lets eligible users buy, pay later, and split payments into 4 installments over 6 weeks. So to use it, you have to pick the ClearPay at the checkout unsupported online source if the merchant has integrated ClearPay as a payment method. So ClearPay's availability depends on country, supported currency, and whether the merchant has enabled ClearPay for their site. So, what does it mean? So, if you are going to use the ClearPay on Booking.com, it seems that it is not supported. So, according to which payment types does Booking.com accept? So, listing ClearPay is explicitly listed among payment methods not accepted by Booking.com. So, Booking.com owns payment method documentation shows they support more traditional payment methods like credit, debit cards, PayPal, and etc. But they don't list ClearPay. So it means that you can use ClearPay on Booking.com. When you make a booking on Booking.com, you'll likely see an unusual payment methods like cards, PayPal, and etc., and not the ClearPay. So if you're outside of ClearPay supported countries, which is likely for me like the Philippines, so I don't have that option right here. So clearly won't work. So ClearPay's official policy requires supported billing region. So even though there are scattered anecdotal posts online of people claiming they use Afterpay, ClearPay for travel bookings, these are not definitive. User reports are often contradictory and they are unverified. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.